So singer Kelly Khumalo went on a two-time meltdown last night after the 2023 Summer Awards were done, and she walked away with no award. After she had got multiple nominations, you guys, so she basically came for everyone on the internet. First, she came for the Summers for being unfair, saying that they have their favorites, you guys. Basically, they're saying that numbers do not lie, meaning she was supposed to have won at least something. Not only that, she also came for Gospel Singer Ntokozo Mbambo, who won many awards. First, she won Female Artist of the Year, also Album of the Year, and Best Contemporary Faith Music Album. And according to Kelly Khumalo, she did not deserve to win because she, according to her, Kelly Khumalo said, even she, Ntokozo, knows that very well. So these are the tweets that she wrote. Ntokozo naye uyayazi, numbers don't lie, asimesabi, fusech summers. Angimesabi nonke, arrange winnings fusech. Uqiniso niyalazi, numbers never lies. Nginifonele emazwini. If you're going to sing, please do it properly. Untombazane uyazi ukuyena, numbers don't lie. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also follow the page so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Bye.